Hello everyone, welcome to Snow Fog's Kitchen. No, we're not going to be cooking today. Today I have something really cool and great that I want to show you or share with you. Um, I've been spending the last 2 or 3 months putting together my bushcraft bag. I've spent a lot of time, a lot of effort to change it from what it was when I lived in New York. I mentioned this in another video. It's almost complete. I've got some kits together. I've got the bag. I'll be doing videos on that. So you guys know exactly what I have, why I have it when I go out. Excuse me. But I did notice as I was putting gear together and switching gear in and out and buying gear, I noticed that my EDC was really lacking. I mean, I had the items that I thought I wanted and the carry systems form that I thought I wanted, but when it came right down to it, it wasn't feasible for me. I had gone out and purchased a pack. I think it was like $40 or $50. It was a Swiss gear pack that looked good, and I got it home and the zippers were getting stuck on the inside nylon of the bag. And there was just too much going on with the bag as far as compartments and little slots for this and little sleeves for that, and I'm like, it was, my mind was exploding at what to put where and how to do it. So I got online and I remember a video someone did that showed some recycled firefighter gear, and so I went and I looked. And I apologize for the lighting in here. It really stinks. I can't adjust it either way. We have these, I don't know what kind of bulbs they are. They're supposed to be daylight, LED, I don't know. Anyway, and I was looking at the gear and, reading all the specs on it. And the first thing that caught my eye was made in the USA. And it's rare that you can get gear made in the USA anymore, especially good quality gear. I mean, the gear you do get is basically good quality. But then when I read the history behind it, how it started and why it started, really grabbed me, pulled me in. I wanted to know more. So what it comes down to is the guy that has recycled firefighter, his name is Jake. He's been a fireman for 12 years. I don't know if he still, serves as a firefighter or, if he's retired. But he was into ultralight backpacking. And I think a few years ago, maybe 5 years ago, he started sewing his own hammocks for backpacking. And, he really liked it. So in 2012, he started making wallets out of decommissioned fire hose. And it took off, people wanted to buy them. So then he expanded. Now, nothing gets to me more than a guy who has a dream or a thought, puts it on paper. Now, mind you, he's all self-taught with the sewing. He's self-taught in designing. Everything is self-taught. And currently, he runs his business out of a 2-car garage at his home. That's his whole entire shop. Just him making all this amazing, fantastic gear. Now, it's meant as EDC gear, but you can use it for anything. So I made a couple purchases, got it, and was so impressed by the quality of this gear that I turned around and bought some more. Now, it's not stuff that's mass produced. It's made in small batches, as if he's making it for himself. And in my opinion, this gear is absolutely over the top, overbuilt even. Everything he uses to make his gear, his wallets, his backpack, uh, journal covers, field note covers. I mean, I'll put links below in the comment section to his YouTube channel and to his website. Is all made with mil-spec grade Cordura leather, webbing. Everything is mil-spec. There is nothing that is not military grade. Everything that goes into his production, his gear, is 100% USA military grade. Whether it's the ribbon he uses on the wallets, the combat boot leather he uses on his one backpack, or anything else. It's all very durable, very well made, military grade, and he even uses bunker gear, you know, the firefighters' outfits, on some of his products. Absolutely, it blows my mind. It really does. And I'm so happy to have some of his gear. And I don't, you know, this is gear I bought. I'm not doing this for any, you know, anything other than to share with you what an amazing product that is out there that you can have. This gear will last you a lifetime. So let me get the camera down here to the bar area, and I'm going to show you what I got. Be right back with you. Okay, guys, a couple more things I want to share with you. Shipping is free. You usually get your package within 2 to 3 days after ordering it. He's always following up via email. He's always available, you know, to correspond with, you know, via email or whatever other, not text message, obviously he's not going to give his phone number out. But him and I have talked via email, and he's just a regular guy with a business making an awesome product. And I believe at the time when I bought my gear that some of the proceeds were going to a local children's burn unit. He's based in Louisville, Kentucky. So, you know, he's just not, you know, making a buck and calling it a day. He's giving back to the community in many ways by donating part of the proceeds of his sales to charities or to some type of cause, usually related to, you know, firefighting and, you know, victims of fires and stuff like that. So please check him out. You're not going to be disappointed with what you get. And like I said, I'm not here doing a review for him or anything else. But I just want to share it with you and to tell you that, you know, it's a quality product from a guy in his garage, you know, just making small batches of gear that is outstanding. So the first thing I bought, this is called the Rookie. It is a front pocket carry wallet. And it's made with the decommissioned fire hose. This is all the mil-spec ribbon on here. And it's got a heavy-duty military-grade elastic cash strap on the back. And on the inside, you really can't see any of my information, is, I think it's 3-ounce leather on both sides. And the stitching is just amazing. I mean, I believe he uses, I want to say number 90 nylon thread. But there's no way this is going to come apart. I mean, this is just an absolutely gorgeous wallet. I carry it all the time now. It fits up to 12 cards, and I love it. And with that, I also got, this is separate from the purchase, it's a band. Oh, bear with me here. The hold it closed says the Rookie, but what I really like about it is, watch this. I can take my Fisher Space Pen, I'll show you here in a minute, and carry it like this in my wallet. Absolutely love this thing. This is going to last me for the rest of my life. It really is. Okay. Second thing I purchased, these two were both in my first order. This is called the Truckee. It is an EDC pouch, coyote brown, huge zippers, number 10 zippers, YKK, and a good amount of gear you can get in here. I now have an EDC Maxpedition pouch that I carry most of my stuff in. The Maxpedition Micro, I think. But I'm also going to use this, or this might replace it, and just put my gear in here, put it in my pocket, and go. I mean, I can probably add even more to my EDC carry because this will lay flat in a front pocket, a cargo pocket, and that's what I like about it. And the zippers you can't beat. The stitching is really, really unbelievable. 1000D Cordura. I believe it's water resistant. All military spec webbing. Can't go wrong. I'm telling you right now, you can't go wrong. And these come in various colors. You'll have to check the website and see for the colors. Now, my second purchase is the Chief. It is an EDC backpack. I got the one with the bunker gear on the front. And there's one made with combat boot leather. And then there's another one with like orange bunker gear. This does not, the morale patch does not come with it. I bought that separately. That was like $6. But this pack is just what it's designed to be. No frills, EDC pack. You have the rain flaps on the front here for the front pouch. It's a 19-liter backpack. Let me move the camera back a little bit so you guys can get, a full view of this. 19 liters. Front zippered pouch. Very deep. I don't have the exact measurements with me at the moment. Again, all number 10, excuse me, YKK zippers. Mil-spec webbing. Nice shoulder straps. Very comfortable to wear. Very comfortable. Again, all webbing. All military grade. And this, what I like the best is lay flat backpack. Just like this. In the back here, it's got nice thick foam for your laptop or whatever you choose to carry. Again, all military grade. Buckle. My shemag's not wanting to cooperate. And on the other side, plenty of room with zippers. And another zipper compartment here, a little bit bigger. And that's all you need. You don't need all these slots for pens and pencils and, you know, all that crazy stuff. But I'm going to tell you right now, you're absolutely going to get what you pay for and then some. This bag I can not only use for EDC, I can take it out into the woods with me. I can throw it around. I could probably drive over it a few times. And it's not going to be any worse for wear. Again, it's got the rain flaps over the front zipper here. Just an amazing, amazing backpack. The quality is just superb. So please go over, check out his YouTube channel, check out his website, and give him some support. He's just a guy in a garage making some excellent EDC gear. And if I had to say, without a doubt, if I had to choose his gear over Maxpedition or Condor or Vanquist or whatever, I would definitely choose this. Definitely. Well, folks, thanks for watching. And please, go check them out. Stop by, say hello. You don't have to necessarily buy anything. But, just show them some support and love. Even if you pick up a pen or a keychain or something, you know, a guy in his garage doing what he loves to do. Thanks for watching, y'all, and I'll see you on the next one.